Hello, welcome to our third video. So in this video we're going to be learning about note lengths. The first note length we're going to learn is called the crotchet. Now a crotchet looks like a dot or a ball with like a stick on top or below, and the sticks are called the stems. Stem. The sticks, the stems, can go either up like this, or they can go down like that. Now we'll talk a little bit more about which way the stems go in another video, but for today we're going to stick with this one here. This is what our crotchets are going to look like. So the first thing I'd like you to do is just to say the word crotchet. Listen carefully, crotchet. Brilliant. Now a crotchet is worth 1 beat. And when we see it, to help us, we're going to say the sound tar. Can you say tar for me? Fantastic, I'll write that underneath, tar. Let's try and clap out one crotchet, just one clap. Easy. I'm going to put 4 crotchets in a row and we're going to clap out this very simple rhythm. Now, I would like you to say the sound tar and clap at the same time. I can't hold this up and clap, so I'm going to tap the board. So after 4, I would like you to clap 4 times and say the sound tar. Try and feel the pulse. Try and feel it in your body as you say it. Okay, after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tar, 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 tar. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tar, 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 tar. Perfect. You have already learned your first note length, which is the crotchet. The next one is a little bit trickier. Some of you might be thinking, oh, this is a little bit like maths, and you're absolutely right. It's a lot to do with maths. The next note length we're going to be learning is called the quaver. Now, I'm going to show you a quaver on its own. And say quaver for me first of all. Good. Quaver. So it's like the cheesy crisps, but hasn't got the S on the end. Quaver. A quaver on its own looks like this. So you've still got the kind of note head, which is the bally part. You've still got the stem, but actually you have a little flick going out as well. So that's what a quaver looks like on its own. And on its own, it isn't worth 1 beat like the crotchet was. It's worth half a beat. So today we are actually going to learn something a little bit different to this. We're going to learn something called a quaver pair. And that is 2 quavers, joined together. And when they're joined together, they look like this. Some of you who play music might recognise it. Now, the very good mathematicians among you might be able to tell me how much that is worth. If you've got a half here and a half there, what do 2 halves make? They make 1 whole. A half and a half is a whole. So together they make 1 beat. When we see a quaver pair, we say tete, tete. Say it back to me. Tete. Try and clap it out. Tete. Your turn. Let's have a go at playing some quaver pairs in a rhythm. I'm going to quickly just do a very quick rhythm. Try and do it carefully. Takes a little bit of time. So we've got tar for our crotchet, which is 1 beat. And for our quaver pair, we have tete. nearly done. 1 second. Okay, so I have got 4 pairs of Quaver pairs. So we're going to say tete, 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 tete. First of all, say it for me. 1, 2, get ready, go. Tete, 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 tete. Perfect. This time, let's clap it out and say it at the same time. After 4, 1, 2, get ready, go. Tete, 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 tete. Perfect.